As part of its effort to revitalize the tourism sector, Taiwan plans to offer travelers free money to visit. In this video, we discuss the benefits of visiting Taiwan and how to partially recover your travel costs. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. Taiwan seeks to boost the number of tourists visiting the country by handing out cash to visitors as an incentive to visit the island. Taiwan's Premier, Chen Chien-jen, announced on the 23rd of February that the government aims to attract 6 million tourists in 2023, doubling that figure in 2024, and aiming for 10 million visitors by 2025. As a reward, they'll give handouts of 5,000 new Taiwan dollars or $165 to 500,000 individual tourists. Allowances of up to 20,000 new Taiwan dollars or $658 will also be provided to 90,000 tour groups. Transport Minister Wang Qisai stated that the cash allowance will be delivered digitally. Tourists will be able to use it to cover their expenses in Taiwan, including accommodation. He added that the measures are aimed at attracting more visitors from key markets, including Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, and Macau, as well as Europe and America. However, travelers looking to plan a trip may have to wait, as it was not immediately clear when the money would be issued or how to apply for it. The money will be given out through multiple tourism promotion events this year, rather than giving it all out at once. As such, not all international tourists would receive it. Tourism Bureau Director General Chang Shicheng said, according to the Taipei Times. The island nation has far more going for it than financial incentives. Taiwan offers no shortage of activities. It's a small island to get to know, so it doesn't take visitors long to go between the vibrant capital of Taipei and its verdant national parks. Especially when there's a high-speed railway line in the mix. With its subtropical climate, you can enjoy hot summer nights and beach hopping trips. Taiwan is also home to an accessible seawater hot spring, the Sunrise Spring. Taiwanese cuisine has developed into its own unique varied style. Taiwanese cuisine combines a number of culinary traditions brought by settlers from China, Japanese culinary traditions, and regional preferences for seafood and game, which are on display at its night markets. Buddhist, Taoist, and Confucian temples abound throughout Taiwan, not merely as static tourist attractions, but as active centers of culture and worship. Taiwan is considered one of the safest places in Asia for LGBTQ+ travel, becoming the first country in the region to legalize same-sex marriage in 2019. Taiwan reopened its borders in October 2022. Tourists no longer need to quarantine in hotels on their arrival in the country. Everyone, including children aged 2 and above, will be given a self-administered rapid COVID test kit on arrival. But you only need to take it if you develop symptoms during a 7-day self-initiated epidemic prevention period. Those who test positive for COVID-19 will still have to quarantine at a hotel or at home. Where do you want to travel? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.